Welcome to Paul's Kitchen. This is Chef Paul. With me is Chef Amy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing a slushy video. Now, this is a little different because if you go on the internet and everybody's popular opinion is you can't do a slushy without regular pop, meaning you have to have sugar pop. Well, I don't believe in sugar because I'm diabetic, so is Amy.
So am I. Yep.
As I just said, so is Amy. So I don't believe this garbage. I think we can do better. So I got some Zevia creamy root beer. So I'm going to take 2 cans. And technically, this isn't pop.
It's water.
It's flavored water that tastes just like actual pop. It's really good. It's Zevia. If you're diabetic, you're a new diabetic, you're not a big soda person and you don't really want soda, but you kind of want to try something different, this is what you try. So I'm just going to use 2 cans. I love Zevia. I stand by it. It tastes just like regular pop.
It's really good.
It's amazing. It does the job really well. Where is our milk?
Our milk is on the bottom, behind the broth.
Oh. Now you should use almond, but Amy's cranky with it, so we don't have it. So that's about half a cup. No, Amy was supposed to bring these out for a snack, but she forgot again. So
Yeah.
I'm just going to set these out.
All right.
And then I'm going to grab some ice because, well, it's a sushi. It kind of needs ice. Otherwise, it's going to be warm.
Yeah, and we don't want that.
No. Now, as a diabetic, I would love to have the sushi, but the ingredients don't work well with sugar pop, without sugar pop. So it's not for us. And that's fine. That is all right. It says some of the ideas I got in that, there's no real ingredients and or no real YouTube videos for this, so this could be the first one. What do you think?
Wow.
Could be first.
We get a lot of views.
Be good. Okay, so there's the ice cream tray, and
We'll fill it after.
we'll fill it after. We don't need to do that right this
No.
second. All right, so you have to line it up because it is very specific in what it wants.
Yeah, it's very specific.
And we're going to lock it up. Now we're going to turn it on. And ice crush, maybe. We want to make sure that everything's down, otherwise it's going to make a big mess.
That's what I was just going to say.
All right, I think we're good now, but we'll see. And no, Amy's not going to drink the whole thing.
No.
She thinks she's going to.
No, that'd be too much. It looks really good, though.
It does, but I left this on way too long.
Uh-oh.
And it's not as slushy as it looks like it should be, but...
Oh, it's more a milkshake.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
All right, so let's see. Am I disappointed? Not at all. This is awesome. This is a root beer float. Sugar-free root beer float slushy. Unlike what I just did, you really don't want to leave it on as long because you do want to have a little bit of ice there. That's fine.
So probably 2 times should have been good.
Should have been good, but the principle's there, the flavor is there, everything is absolutely perfect. I must say this is the first root beer sugar-free root beer slushy done on a Ninja. That has a YouTube video anyways.
Wow.
I have never seen one, and I've looked.
Yeah.
I absolutely love slushies, but I can't handle the sugar all the time.
No,
'Cause
neither can I.
We're diabetic. So
this is a nice treat.
it's a great treat. Amy's going to have a job to put the rest of this in the fridge so we can finish this in the morning.
Yes.
Because, yeah. So please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Please visit www.poulskitchen.com. All our latest recipes, our cookbooks. You can even donate to us. We'd appreciate it. It does help us release more videos. But until next time, let's make cooking great again. Have a great day.